Welcome to this week's edition of Oncology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Health Canada has approved KEYTRUDA for patients with resectable head and neck squamous cell carcinoma and PD-L1 CPS of 1 or higher. This approval includes both neoadjuvant and adjuvant use. Based on the Phase 3 KEYNOTE-689 trial, the combination therapy showed a 30% reduction in risk for event-free survival, reinforcing pembrolizumab's role as a leading immunotherapy across multiple cancer types. CEL-SCI has submitted a request for breakthrough therapy designation in Saudi Arabia for its head and neck cancer immunotherapy, Multikine. If granted, patient access could begin within 60 days. In a global Phase 3 trial, Multikine improved 5-year survival to 73%, compared to 45% in the target population. Akeso has initiated a Phase 3 clinical trial of ivonescimab for limited-stage small cell lung cancer. Ivonescimab is a first-in-class bispecific antibody targeting PD-1 and VEGF. The therapy is being tested as a consolidation treatment following definitive chemoradiotherapy and supports Akeso's IO 2.0 strategy in lung cancer. KRIBB has developed a nanobody-based therapy for lung adenocarcinoma. The A5 nanobody delivers doxorubicin directly to tumor cells by targeting CD155, reducing off-target toxicity and enhancing tumor cell death. Preclinical models demonstrated tumor shrinkage between 70 and 90%. Mabwell has launched its first U.S. clinical trial of belumtatug fuvedotin, an antibody-drug conjugate targeting Nectin-4, in patients with treatment-resistant triple-negative breast cancer. The trial includes patients previously treated with ADCs and does not require biomarker screening, broadening its applicability. Pilatus Biosciences and Roche have launched a first-in-human study evaluating PLT-012 in combination with Tecentriq for hepatocellular carcinoma. PLT-012 inhibits CD36-mediated lipid uptake in the tumor microenvironment, aiming to reverse immune suppression and enhance response to checkpoint blockade therapy. Leads Biolabs has completed patient enrollment in its global registrational trial of opumtistamig, a PD-L1 and 4-1BB bispecific antibody for extrapulmonary neuroendocrine carcinoma. This is the world's first monotherapy registrational trial in this rare and aggressive cancer. The antibody is based on Leads' proprietary X-Body platform. In muscle-invasive bladder cancer, new data from the KEYNOTE-905 study shows that the combination of KEYTRUDA and Padcev improves event-free and overall survival in patients ineligible for cisplatin. This Phase 3 trial marks the first systemic therapy to show benefit both before and after surgery in this patient population. Halda Therapeutics has received Fast Track designation from the FDA for HLD-0915 in metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer. The RIPTEC platform targets the androgen receptor and an effector protein to drive tumor cell death. A Phase 1, Phase 2 trial is ongoing to evaluate safety, pharmacokinetics, and early efficacy. Lastly, Primo Biotech and On Bogan have formed a strategic collaboration to co-develop a peptide-based radioligand therapy for solid tumors. The therapy leverages peptide drug conjugates with radioactive payloads and is designed to expand precision oncology in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.